So while investigating a water leak, how did I end up with my van looking like this? Yeah, so my investigation into the water leak ended up going, yeah, it's the radiator, we'll take this and that off. But I got carried away and thought, do you know what, it's going to take a few days for the radiator to get here, being in quarantine. I'm just going to strip it all down, clean out those inner arches, and as you can see, there's not a great deal of rust, just a little bit of surface rust there. So I think I'm going to treat all of that, and then I am going to now take off the wing on the other side. So before we start work on the wings, let's just have a quick look and compare the two sides here, how dirty they are, and what I may do in the future. So we can see, the driver's side, this side is horrendous, and underneath the wipers in that channel there's a little hole, and what it needs, what I'm going to have to make up is some sort of like piping that runs down and then comes out at the bottom here of the arch. And if you look underneath here, there's a little grommet up there, the camera adjusts, see it. Yeah, that little grommet. So I'm thinking maybe running some tubing all the way down, so hopefully those areas don't get full of crap again. But also you do want to get your hoover in there, where that grommet is, and clean all the muck out. Now we're going to crack on with the wings. So this bit here, the mastic, sticks the bottom of the wing on. That's an absolute pain to get off. So easiest way, get your heat gun out and a scraper, and then I think what I'm going to do is just clean all this rust off. Do you know what? I'm really thinking of I might do something tricks here. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe cutting some of those fins out and getting like a VW logo, and maybe, or even making one up that I can stick in there. Yeah, in there, like in that fin. Yeah. So any ideas, hit me up in the comment section down below. I don't know. What are we watching? We're just going to watch me drink a cup of tea. Well, that's nice. Oh right, I was supposed to say here, like, I haven't had time to stop for a cup of tea. Oh right, yeah. Well, clearly I did have time to stop for a cup of tea, because I had to make it, didn't I? Duh. Right, so with a bit of heat on that mastic, yeah, that's the only way to get it off, because it's brittle from, being 20 years old. So a little bit of heat from the heat gun. I got a scraper there, and I just worked away, a few inches at a time, nice and patient. With plenty of heat, it came off quite easy. So after cleaning all the rust away, I've now treated all with the red lead, so that should give it an extra bit of life, a few more years. I also cracked on and done the inner arch, inner wing, whatever you want to call it, the outer part of the inner wing. Yeah, so I've treated all the rust there. Also done the air conditioning unit there, well, the cooling system. Cleaned all of that up, all treated, just extra bit of life. And before I put the wings back on, I thought, right, well, I've got access, I'm going to clean all this grime away, because everything is just so mucky. I mean, all that hard wax at the bottom there, which is just sliding around doing nothing. It's just grubby. So Out came the washer bottle. Look at that there, look, no oil there at all. Took the wash bottle out, cleaned it all down, bit of degreaser, sorted it all out. Washer bottle back in, happy days. Look how clean that is. That's well clean. Just take a moment to appreciate that. Look, before and after. Anyway, right, so join me next time. I will be taking off the intercooler and doing an EGR blank. Yeah, we'll be blanking that off. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.